Hey Lady Ada, what is this?
Hey there, I'm testing out our new LTC4311 breakout board. This is a really interesting I2C active terminator, and I have it hooked up here to a Trinket M0. And what I've got is an OLED display running on I2C, and this is like connected right to the Trinket. And then you see here I've got the I2C lines connected to an Ethernet cable. And the Ethernet cable goes all the way here, curves around for 100 feet, and then back out to a BME 680 sensor. And normally you would never be able to have I2C running on a 100-foot long Ethernet cable. There's way too much capacitance. But what's cool about this active terminator is it can handle that high capacitance, and it like actively pulls up the SCL and SDA pins, so you can have very long I2C connections.